Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another pack with me video. Of the 3 summer trips that I had planned, this is the last one, so we'll see what happens after that. But for this trip, I'm taking a kind of quick trip to San Diego for 2-ish days, and then kind of the main part of the trip is going to Disneyland, and I'm going to Disneyland with my friend Lizzie. So it's going to be really fun. I'll show you everything I'm going to bring, and then in a little bit we'll actually pack it up. So I kind of threw everything in the bag, but it's definitely not packed. It needs to be organized. So let's get into the clothing first, but please don't forget to like and subscribe. So I have most of my clothing here on my lap. So obviously some of this is going to be a little repetitive because I just have my favorite things right now. But the first thing I'm bringing are these pajama set from Amazon. Again, it's just short sleeve, button up, and shorts. So very comfortable and breathable, and they're my favorite pajamas right now, so I travel with them. I'm also bringing where is this from? H&M? Yeah, H&M. It's been so long. This H&M jean jacket. It's going to be very hot in Anaheim, but in San Diego at night, I feel like it might get a little bit cool just based on the forecast. So I'm bringing that just to be safe because I feel like I can't travel anywhere without something in case it gets chilly. So that's just like a safety net kind of. Let's see. So I guess I can start here as well. What I'll be wearing in the car, like both travel days, there and back, are these black, just like athletic cycle shorts that I got off Amazon, which are really comfortable. I'll be wearing those, obviously traveling, so they'll be very comfortable. And then again, you saw this in my Ohio pack with me video, my Disneyland tie-dye spirit jersey. Right, I'm going to Disneyland, so I'm actually not wearing this in the park, but I'm, going there, so I might as well use this as a nice comfy travel top. And then, as you've seen again, also in my Ohio pack with me, I think I have my favorites right now. I'm bringing these black unique vintage high-waisted shorts that just have pockets in the front, and they have these the cool anchor buttons, and they zip in the back. I'm wearing these 2 days, and this is actually going to be part of a Disney bounding video. So that'll be the next video probably. So some of these, all the items that you see, some of these will be in a Disney bounding, parts of Disney bounding outfits. So maybe you can put together who I'm going to be Disney bounding as just from this. We'll see. Yeah, so that, and these shorts will go with a couple different options. I'm bringing just that Urban Cocoa on my Amazon white tee that is so comfortable. I'm bringing a Uniqlo gray button-up that's short sleeve. I'm bringing this Active USA, which is a weird name for this brand when this is the shirt. Like, this is not like active wear, but it's like light, it's cute, it's light, it's flowy, so it would still be good in the heat. So I just figured this was a good option. It's very breathable. So that, and then in case it's, I don't know, gets a little bit cool. We're driving, so I don't really have to worry about space on this trip. This Old Navy black and white striped quarter length top, which I wear with a lot of stuff. And I think this would look really, really cute with those shorts eventually. I mean, I definitely like the outfit, but we'll see if it works for this trip. But I'm bringing that just in case. So all of those tops will go with those black shorts. The next thing I'm bringing is the only dress I'm bringing. Well, that's not true. That's a lie. One of 2 dresses. And it's this Emily and Finn, very colorful plaid top, dress. Just buttons all the way down, and it comes with, or it didn't come with, I bought when I was there. I got this in Salem. And at Modern Millie, I believe the store is called, which I just stumbled upon it. I was so happy. So I got this, and it's just got so many colors, and it's a nice summer dress. And I also bought a yellow belt to go with it when I was in the store. So that just goes really nicely with it. So this would be like out to dinner in San Diego or whatever we decide to do. Then another outfit is this Amazon dress that I just got. Unfortunately, it's very like wrinkle prone. Like, I'm gonna have to iron it. I don't iron anything I own, but I'm gonna have to iron this, unfortunately. I unpacked it from the package and tried it on and decided I wanted to keep it. I hung it up. And this was in the reviews too. People said it was like very wrinkly and you have to like iron it every time you use it. It was in there for weeks and it didn't get any less wrinkled. So it's very wrinkled. more so on the bottom than on the top here. But yeah, it's just this like checked white and yellow dress, sleeveless, and it just kind of has like several kind of patterns to it. Not patterns, but the pattern changes. The check changes at the break points there. And it has a little set of pockets, so if I can find a dress with a set of pockets in it, I'm happy. And it goes to a little bit above my knees, so it's actually a really cute, flowy summer dress. And just in case I need it, I don't know how hot it's gonna be, and just in case, I am bringing the same cycle shorts, but in gray. So that yellow dress has a liner underneath it, a light liner. So I can wear something like this and it won't show through, just in case I feel like I wanna have like something underneath. So I'm bringing that as also just in case. I'm also bringing this like kind of like larger toiletry bag that I got on Amazon. I'm not crazy about the pattern, but it was the best one at the time when I bought it, and it has a little handle. So it's actually like well organized in there. I actually have a bunch of stuff in here already, but not everything, because obviously I need things in the interim before I leave. So I'm just bringing this full of just the toiletries that nobody wants to see, my floss, my deodorant, whatever, toothpaste, toothbrush, contacts, all that's gonna go in here. So that'll all be organized. Now, whether I use this or not, I'm a big convert of this next product that I'm gonna bring. Whether I end up using it or not, we'll see while I'm there, but I love using it at home. And that is my Octo Curl. Not sponsored, just a big fan. It looks like this crazy octopusy type of thing. And you put it on your head and you wrap your hair around it and it curls your hair heatless. So I'm gonna bring that in case I wanna like sleep in it, or if we don't leave for a few hours in the morning, not at Disney, that won't happen, but if I wanna sleep overnight, I can have heatless curls. And this is the only way really I can curl my hair because I'm so bad at it. So that's coming, whether I use it or not, we'll see. I am bringing a shower cap because if I sleep in it, I wanna shower the rest of my body in the morning, and I'll put this on so it doesn't just soak my hair. So that's all, maybe I'll use it. Speaking of hair, I'm going to bring these Disney ears, these bell ears actually, that I got on Etsy a long time ago, and I don't even think the shop's open anymore. So these are actually the only two like ears I own. I actually probably should get some more. These I bought when I lived in Orlando. I was going to the parks like every weekend. These are like a decade old at least. So actually I'm taking these two because my friend Lizzie is going to use these ears in the park and I'm going to use these ones. And we'll see if the ears have gotten really crazy priced in the parks, so I might get over to Etsy and get some new ones in the future. I don't know, but for now these are my only two. And I gotta have a set of bell ears. These are my go-to bell ears that I have. I'm bringing two pairs of shoes. One are my Stan Smith all white Adidas. These will be like my primary park shoes and, you know, walking around shoes. I did put these in my my Disney Family Museum vlog. I broke those in that day and I've been breaking them in, so these are ready to go for the park. And then for like water rides and whatever other times when I can wear sandals, I'm bringing these are Crocs. And I know, like, I was like, no, they're Crocs, but they don't really look like Crocs, even though unfortunately they do say Crocs on like one of the straps there. But they're very comfortable and they'll be perfect for this trip. So I'm bringing those, and they're small and they pack well. So those are the only two pairs of shoes I'm bringing. The next two things are just kind of miscellaneous. I'm bringing an extra bag, like so a book bag, backpack, whatever. I always call it a book bag that I got. And it's a Disney kind of treats themed bag. So this might be for the park, or I might use the bag that I'm going to show you, like what is going to be my daily bag. I may end up using that because it is big enough, but this is obviously bigger. It's a book bag. So yeah, this has all the different like Disney treats on it, a lot of Mickey shapes, and I just think it's really cute. So if I feel like I need more space in the park than the bag I'm going to show you, I will use this. So I'm undecided, but I'm taking it now. I'm taking it with me, but I'm just packing it flat. So it won't, if I don't use it, it's not going to take up that much room. And then the next thing is this like document kind of sleeve that I got from Daiso a long time ago. Like when we're traveling in Europe and everything, I always print all of our like museum tickets, even if I had them on my phone, museum tickets, all that stuff I print because you never know. So because we have like hotels and reservations and like park reservations and park tickets and all this stuff for both of us, I printed all that. Like the QR codes and confirmation numbers, I printed all that just so I can have it in my bag in case there's an issue, because I don't want to get up to the turnstile and have to sit in guest relations, and then have to be sent to guest relations for whatever reason. So I just will have this, I won't carry it in this probably, I'll just probably fold it over and put it in my bag, whichever bag I decide to take that day. In this little packing cube, I have my Osmo stuff. So I have this like bigger kind of like it's a pencil case, I guess technically, but it's just so cute because it has all these book sayings on it. But I have like my my Osmo, which is my kind of like vlogging camera, the charger, all like the extra pieces, and then I have just this Warby Parker like sunglasses case that I'll actually just set it in there on the day. So this will be what I actually carry around the park and stuff like that because it's easier, and I have all like the actual things I would need in the park, and all the other pieces I will bring here in this thing. So that's all in this little packing cube. And I think that is everything that I am packing in my main bag, which is, I didn't have a tote, so I borrowed one of my husband's, and it's this big North Face tote. It's huge, but like I said, we're packing in the car, like we're driving in the car, so it shouldn't be an issue. And I want room for all the goodies I hopefully buy. So yeah, so that's in my main bag. The bag I'll be using day to day, and maybe as a park bag, is this mustard bag that I got. I don't even know what the brand is. I got it at like a discount shop in Ohio when I was visiting my family. I don't see anything. When my dad was sick, I went out with my aunts for a day and I bought this bag, and I just love it. It's a pretty good size, as you can see. So it could be a park bag if you don't have, especially in the summer, if you don't have to worry about having a sweater or a coat. I mean, you get a locker, but all that stuff. Or you're planning on buying a lot of merchandise. I plan on doing most of my merchandise shopping the day before we go into the parks at World of Disney, hopefully, so that most of that stuff's already like at the hotel. I don't have to worry about carrying it around the parks. So this may be my park bag, and it goes with my both Disney bounding outfits. So that the backpack doesn't really as much. So we'll see. So this bag in the front, I just have my portable charger, and I'll be adding more things to this as well. Portable charger, and this also fits my ears because you can't wear your ears, well, I don't, on every ride because they could fly off. So this actually fits my ears perfectly. I can just unzip this, throw my ears in there when we're getting on an attraction, and it'll be great. In this second compartment, I have a bunch of Ziploc bags. I have this Mickey Daiso zip up, just little baggie, and that just has like Advil, Pepto-Bismol, like a mirror, my brush, like, all those things that you just need. Sunscreen, like powdered sunscreen for my face, all that kind of stuff. So just stuff that I would maybe need in the park. I also have a collapsible bag, which I may or may not leave in here. Yeah, I may take that out. It might just be taking up space. And then I also have my iPad in here. So I won't be taking that in the parks with me, but for now, like when we're traveling and everything, I'm going to be keeping it in there for books and all that stuff that I want. All right, and then the main compartment, I will have like snacks in here for the drive, my water bottle, that'll all be going in here. But right now I just have a pair of sunglasses and all the kind of like liquidy, like leaky things. So a bunch of like sanitizing wipes, hand sanitizer, and like the, well, I don't know if I mean, technically I guess sunscreen is a liquid. So liquidy sunscreen, I don't know if it's lotion-y type, consistency, I don't know. So, and I also have a hand sanitizer attached to the back of the bag. So that's the majority of everything that I'm bringing. There are still things I have to pack, like my socks, underwear, stuff like that I just haven't gotten to yet. Also some toiletries that I still need to use. So just minor things like that. So for the most part, that's everything I have planned to bring. So let's actually get packed. Okay, so since I'm not bringing a regular suitcase or my away case, I'm bringing a duffel. I am bringing some packing cubes. So that's what I'm using. I'm doing my tried and true rolling my clothes method of packing, which is my method of choice, I guess. Yeah, so I'm putting them all in this huge packing cube that it will just fit right at the bottom of my duffel bag. And for the things that are a little too bulky to roll, like that jean jacket, I just lay them on top. There's my flattened book bag on the bottom that I may use, my toiletries, my sandals that I'll be using. I just went ahead and put my Octo Curl right inside my shower cap, which made sense and actually was a nice little kind of container for it. I'm all packed and ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so excited to be at Disneyland. So I will be vlogging, so watch for those videos coming. So I'm just so excited to be there. It's been a few years, and Lizzie hasn't been to Disneyland in about 10 years. She's never been to DCA, and she's never been to Disney World. So it's gonna be so fun going with someone that hasn't been on some of the attractions or hasn't been on them in a long time. So very excited for that, and she'll be wearing my ears while we're there. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments below like some of your Disney must packs, or even like I'm going to San Diego as well, so maybe like your beach town packs. I don't know, things that you need to pack for those kind of destinations. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.